vlog. Today I'm gonna do what's inside the box with my sister Zoe. Hi! Zoe's right here. I can film you. But before that, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let's get into the video. Woo! Okay guys, I set up this whole thing just for this video. And Zoe's been a great helper. So yeah. So who goes first, Zoe, to put what's inside this box? Okay, but first let's do rock, paper, scissors. I think we're gonna need a standard right here. Oh! Can you see? Okay. Can you see me? Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Yes! I'm gonna put something inside for Zoe. Okay, Zoe, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, guys, so it's been a first round. So maybe I'm gonna just find something easy to work with, and maybe the next few rounds I'm gonna make it harder. This is gonna be so funny. So here's the box. I'm gonna put it right here in the box. So wait a second. Not yet, Zoe. So this is So this is the box. She's got to put her hands through those. I'm so sorry if it's disgusting. I'm gonna put it in like that side because I know it's so dark in here. Wait, let me on my flashlight. Okay, there. Okay, let me take that out. Okay, done, Zoe. Oh my god, my eyes are teary. Okay, go. It's in this side. It's in this side. This side. Okay, I'll put it close to you. This is like the clipboard thing for your hands. Yes! Zoe got 1 point. Let me put the scores up here. Yeah! Zoe got 1 point. Yeah, it's for like fragile things. Zoe got 1 point. Now it's her turn to find. I'm scared for Zoe holding the camera. Oh. Okay. So wait. Close your eyes. Wait. Does it see me? Yeah. So you're gonna just be like holding that one. My hair's in the way. Oh my god. Sorry. Okay. Go, Zoe. Go. Find the stuff. Okay. Let's find a stuff. I think I got easy turn. I'm gonna grab this. Can you reach in the middle? What? Can you reach in the middle? What do you mean? Can you reach in the middle? Yeah. Okay. So what? Okay, go. Done? Yeah. Make sure they see inside. Yeah. And also me. And also me, okay? Okay. How about me? They don't see me. Like move like in the plant. I'm scared. And this side. Up. This is so terrifying. Do they see what's inside this box? Yeah. Okay. If you're gonna do that, I'm gonna remove the plant at the next round. Because the plant is on me. This is scary. I just dropped it. I think it's like a plate. Yeah. Is it? Yeah, 1 point for me. Scores are up here. Yes. I think I'm going to remove this plant. Okay, it's my turn to find a thing for you. Oh. Go! Okay, guys. I'm going to find something a little bit harder because it is the next round. I'm in the kitchen right now. Okay, guys, I'm in the kitchen right now. I'm talking about this, but I'm actually in Titan's room. I'm gonna add this little clip. Because I think this will be where he is. Okay guys, so this is the thing that we're gonna put, and we're gonna put it right here. There. There is the thing. Right here. Like that. Not yet. Okay, done.
Where is it?
It's right, yeah, it's right there.
Is it Mama's slipper?
Yeah, but it's not Mama's.
Grandma's?
No, Grandma's doesn't use that.
You?
No.
Mama?
No.
I don't know.
Who is Tian's girlfriend?
I'll take the one.
Yeah, I think that's Tita Marie's. Because I found it in the Tita Yan's room.
Oh, this is Mama's.
Oh, that's Mama's. Sorry. So Zoe got a point. The point is up somewhere here. Zoe got 2 points. I only got 1 point. This is getting hard. Okay, Zoe. Go find your thing. I'm just going to bring these guys. Oops. So I'm actually scared when Zoe picks something, because when I see a smile on her face, that makes me nervous, because it's gonna be like something good, and like I don't even see Zoe anywhere because my phone is facing that way. But okay, hopefully it's something like a little bit easier than mine, but I still want it to be fair. So let's hope Zoe can do this right. Zoe, are you done? Oh, she's in the room right now, so we're safe for now. I think she's finding like stuff, like something like that, because I'm really not sure what she's like doing. And also, I forgot to mention there's 5 rounds in this exact video. No. Okay, you can take the audience. Okay, you guys. It's gonna be so hard. I can't. No. I got this place.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. I'm scared.
What is...
I think I know what this is, and because there's something missing in the TV. Is this like the bows that I made with the like ribbon?
What color is the ribbon?
Like red.
Yeah.
Is it really? Oh,
I was gonna do the bear.
because it was, guys, come here. Because it was literally missing in this thing. That's why I looked at it completely there. Okay, it's my turn to do for Zoe. So Zoe, close your eyes. Okay, guys. So it's currently. I was just talking. So guys, it's currently around. Zoe. So guys, it's currently round like 3 right now. Because we're done with round 2, and now it's round 3, and I think it should be like a little more difficult. Wait, hold on. A little more difficult, but I don't think I see anything here. So maybe I should go here. Is there something that I can do? Not these. These are getting almost. I'll definitely do that in the last round. Oh, let's do this little thing. It's this. Yeah, it's super. Okay. So I'm gonna place it there this time so that she can reach that side. Zoe, we're done. This is gonna be like so interesting because this. No, it's in the other. Okay.
Huh?
I'm so high up right now. So
If it's happening.
what?
If it's happening. Is it the ocean?
Is that your final answer? If you get this wrong, then you don't get a point. And by the way, the scores are up here.
Is that like the light blue? Is it color blue and white?
Yes. Did you cheat? Okay. But what is it? Do not put it outside the box because you clearly see it. So it's like, what is this? What is this? Well, it's round 3 because I gotta make it kind of hard. It goes on your shoes. It's a glue for your shoes.
Sugar glue.
Yes, but it's actually called super glue. So I think you get half a point. The scores are up here, up there, somewhere up here.
Okay.
I think Zoe got half a point.
It's my turn. It's my turn. It's my turn.
You might broke my phone. Now it's round 4.
Time for something tricky.
Wait, no, it's round. Wait, what?
You said it's round 3.
No, but I'm first. Oh, it's round 5.
Okay.
Oh, wait, no, it's round 4. I'm sorry. Cause I go first, right? Cause I go first. I'm putting you.
Yeah.
Do not point the camera there. That's so boring.
Fine. Okay, close your eyes.
I'm closing my eyes.
I did. Look at her. I have to really close your eyes.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I? Almost. I did. You see.
You done?
Yeah.
I wonder what it is. Where is it? It's not.
In the middle.
Oh my god.
Or let me just like.
Is it like a phone?
No, it's not a phone.
What? No. It's a wait. Let me just see if it's clear. It's a phone case.
Yeah.
Wait, is it really? Toby, point the camera. Okay.
I'm really don't want to close my eyes. You're a cheater.
Okay. No, I know it's round 4. Zoe, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Look, this is how she closes her eyes. Okay. It's currently round 4 and it's tied up. So I'm gonna need something a little more spicy here. I'm not gonna use that. Of course not. Let's go in this drawer. And she's probably gonna think this is. Almost. She's probably gonna think this is like something else, but this is actually like I can't say it, so I'm just not good. Oh, the phone is still here. I'm gonna like done.
Oh my god, my eyes look so
Why are you keep getting it in that?
tape.
Is that your final answer? It might be other than tape.
White tape.
Hmm?
Okay, that's my final.
What's your final answer?
White tape.
Wrong. It's ribbon. It's ribbon tape.
So hard.
No, it's
a hard one.
no. You even choose a hard one for me. I thought it was a phone.
You're a rude sister.
Okay, last round, Zoe.
Oh my god, I think I lose.
Last round.
Here
Here, you can take
there's
it.
nothing tricky.
You can take it. You can take it. You can take it. Okay, guys. Zoe doesn't want to play anymore because she doesn't like to lose. And that's how she is. I know you don't like her because that's how she is. She doesn't like to lose. I know, right? So I'm just going to call it a tie. And I think I won. Because the scores are up here. So if I won, I'll do like. But if Zoe won, she would do like this.
No.
She would do no. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like, subscribe, and share. And hopefully you can guys tell us in the comments section below if you want more fun videos like this. For now, see you later, guys. Bye. There's like a tape over. Ah. Wee!